guys, so today I'm going to be bleaching my virgin hair for the first time ever. And no, this is not clickbait. I am going to really bleach my hair. Well, just some parts of my hair, and specifically the hair that is no longer, but it's still my hair. If you're confused, let me explain. Okay, last time, if you guys remember, I actually cut my bangs and I actually saved the hair that I cut. So this is my hair right here. So basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to try and bleach it and see what would it look like. And also I actually have two samples here. One is the one that I'm just going to be bleaching the right way, and the other one I'm going to be leaving the bleach longer than it should, just to test and see how strong my hair is and how my hair would react to bleach. I was thinking, since I'm going to have a little bit of layers here on my hair, since I am preparing my hair for the hair photo shoot, so I need to have like those little hairs here. I think I could cut more hair on my hair for experimentation's sake. Okay, so the bleach that I'm using is the one from Hortileza, and this is the hair bleach powder, and the lady gave me the oxidizing lotion. So let's get started. I'm gonna put the bleaching powder in there. Then we're gonna go ahead and add in the oxidizing lotion. Right, so I'm gonna spread the sheet right here, put my hair right here. I'm pretty much excited on how my hair would react to this. Okay, let's begin. I just want to say that the scent of this is not very pleasant. I think I should flip this because I know that the other side is not going to be coated, so... Oh my gosh, I couldn't imagine doing this to my own hair that is still attached in my head. I couldn't imagine the damage I'm going to experience, and also the smell. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm gonna let that stay for 30 minutes and then check my desired results, and if not, I'm gonna leave it longer. Okay, so for this strand of hair, I'm going to let that soak in the bleach for an hour. So I'm gonna cover all of it and leave it there. Now, after 15 minutes, this is what it looks like right now. I can actually see that the color is now taking place. My hair became lighter. So I'm gonna let that stay for another 15 minutes and then rinse off the bleach. This has gotten lighter. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and remove it off the bleach and just wash it off and see what it looks like. Okay, so are you guys ready to see the grand reveal? That is my original hair right there. And this right here is the bleach part. I'm still going to let it air dry to let you guys see the full-on result of it. So yeah, right there. Okay, so this is my original hair right here. It has been tainted with a little bit of bleach right there, but that's totally fine. And then that is my hair right now, after an hour of soaking on the bleach. So I'm actually pretty excited. I'm gonna go ahead and wash it off. Alright, so you guys, are you all ready to see the grand reveal of the hair that I soaked in for an hour? And this is the result of it after soaking my hair in the bleach for 1 hour. It became whiter compared to this one. You can definitely see the difference right here. Alright you guys, here it is. Here's both of the hair. I'm actually gonna put them in contrast to my hair right here. So the one that I bleached for 30 minutes, this is what it looked like. I'm gonna put that on top of my hair. This is actually a nice highlight for my hair. If I bleach my whole hair, this is what my hair is going to look like. Man. So with this one, I can definitely see some orange undertones to it, which is not really nice because I'm pretty sure that if I don't maintain this with the purple shampoo or anything, it's really gonna turn brassy. Overall, with my hair with this one, I was amazed because I thought that if I bleached my hair would completely be weak and gummy and all that. Well, it's been 30 minutes, but my hair seems to be still strong, you know? And I'm really tugging my hair. My hair handled the bleach pretty well, probably because it's virgin hair, so that's why it's like that. Okay, so the other one looks like this. This one, I bleached it for an hour. I actually do like this kind of blonde just because it doesn't have the orange undertones to it. It's a really nice shade of blonde, and you can definitely see the contrast of my hair right there. This used to be part of my bangs, so... And honestly, since I left the bleach on my hair for an hour, I really thought that my hair is going to be gummy and it's going to break, because I've seen this video that the hairdresser left the bleach too long on the client's hair, and the client's hair was like gummy and it was like falling off. So I was afraid that that's gonna happen, but I was actually impressed that my hair wasn't completely broken because I left the bleach on my hair for an hour. And as you guys can see, it's not falling apart or it's not breaking at all. My hair is actually intact. I was expecting my hair to be completely destroyed by the bleach. The only thing that I did notice about this though is that my hair feels very dry and kind of stiff as well, because of course, what would you expect if you leave your hair an hour on the bleach? Alright, so that ends our experiment. I'm rest assured now that if I ever bleach my hair in the future, or if I ever dye my hair in the future, it's not going to be terrible as I imagined it to be. But however, I know the maintenance and the damage it's going to do to my hair. So that is it, you guys. This was a fun experiment, and my sister is actually here. So which one did you like? This one or this one? Like the 30 minutes one or the an hour? The hour one. You really like this super blonde right here. Me too, same. So that is it, you guys. Let me know if you all want more hair experiment videos. And please give this video a thumbs up if you all found it fun. And I will see you on my next video.